Hi, I'm Akhmal Faris, and my Workshop 2 project is a cup. It consists of the base, stock, and body. Its function is to be a decoration and to hold small items inside it. Before starting the manufacturing process, I laid out the dimensions on the parts using vernier caliper, marker pen, and ruler. First, to make the base. At the sewing machine, the 100mm square metal piece was clamped on the sewing machine securely. Parts of the metal piece were sawed off until I got a 60mm square metal piece. At the milling machine, the metal piece was clamped onto the milling machine securely. Side milling was done on all 4 sides to make sure all sides are 90 degrees to each other. This was done several times with depth of cut 0.5mm until the dimensions are 58 by 58mm. Next, face milling was done on both faces to get a shiny surface. The depth of cut used was 0.5mm. Next, to make the stem. At the sewing machine, the 100mm long metal rod was clamped on the sewing machine securely. Parts of the metal rod were sawed off until I got a 65mm long rod. At the milling machine, the metal rod was clamped on the milling machine securely. Side milling was done several times with depth of cut 0.5mm until it is 60mm long. At the grinding machine, the curved face of the metal rod was grinded to get a shiny surface. Lastly, to make the body. At the lathe machine, the 51mm tall and 50mm diameter solid metal cylinder was clamped securely onto the lathe machine. Facing was done several times to obtain shiny outer surface using depth of cut 0.2mm. Drilling was done on one face using a 38mm drill bit. The hole drilled was 24mm deep. Finally, with all 3 parts finished, I used the MIG gasless welding machine to weld all 3 parts together to form the cup as the final product. Finishing was also done using sandpaper, smooth file, and rough file to get smooth, shiny, and clean surface. That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.